Hello, Trevor. I thought I would show you how I watch your videos a lot of the time on my MetaQuest 3. So I am here in a 3D world, and I'm trying to move my head slow because it can be disorienting for people if I start looking around like I usually do. Okay, so over here I've got the web browser open, which you could launch from here. Pretty standard, just it's got a bunch of built-in apps. So here's where I go to find your videos. You could scroll here with your hand. And the one I'm interested in right now was let's see. I guess it doesn't really matter for the purposes of this, so I'll just choose one of the first ones that come up. We'll do this one. Okay, actually, let's see. This is the one I was interested in.
This AI tool is better than Midjourney. You can create unlimited AI images with accurate text, hands, and fingers for a one-time cost. No recurring fees, ever. I found this hidden gem for you. It's called Artistly. Here's what it does. You can create super consistent 3D characters, like the ones you'd see.
Skip that
First
ad.
AI secret to editing 5 times faster is using Filmora's text-based editing. Here in my timeline in
Make
Filmora,
sure we're at full quality.
A video that I filmed for the TikTok shop, one I'm actually going to post on my TikTok.
Okay.
I'm going to fully edit it in Filmora right now. The first thing that sucks your time out when you're editing is the first pass, removing all the mistakes and all the ums and ahs.
Okay, so you can see you are huge in my room here. So let me go to pass-through mode. You kind of see relatively how big this screen is to the living room space. Refrigerator. Giant screen. Then we'll leave pass-through mode. Oh, it's curved screen. There we go. Okay. With the quality of cameras that you have, you'll see the detail of the screen is pretty good.
And all the spaces, and you can do that.
I'll skip
It's
ahead.
pitch black, like right over here. Got a surprise for him called infrared.
And bam, it did all of that for me in just a couple seconds. So what would have taken me 10 minutes to edit down now will take me just a minute or two. The next AI secret feature is Filmora's motion tracking, which is out of this world good. Let's say I want to have a little icon tracked by my head next to me, moving with my head. When I worked in Hollywood, we would send a video to the graphics department to do it, and they would use After Effects or some programs that were specifically designed for motion tracking. And I've tried motion tracking in other programs
giant,
recently,
so sometimes
and this is the best I have seen. To use Filmora's AI motion tracking, it's just a couple clicks. You position the playhead at the beginning of the clip you want to motion track by hitting the up arrow. Then I select the clip, and then I click this icon right here. We've got motion tracking and planar, I'm not sure how to say it.
Okay, so one other cool thing. While I'm watching this, my son also edits CapCuts. So if I see a good video, I will send it to him. Just like, boom. Sent. And then back out of that.
Tracking, which is really cool. I'll show you that in another video. We just select this guy right here, motion tracking, and this box pops up, and we want to position this box over the object we want to track. We want. So let's say, how about military grade night vision goggles zooming in. Now, before we hit generate, we've got some settings. We can choose how long we want it to be. I think it only needs to be like 4 seconds. Hack number 1 for creating a talking head video that doesn't just bore the crap out of your audience is to make a video way more dramatic and made it stand out. Hack number 8, use B-roll. This me talking to the camera, this is A-roll. B-roll is anything else that you see. Generally, it's going to be something that I'm talking about. For example, if we add some B-roll to that.
Okay, well, that gives you the idea. So now let me pull up the MetaQuest button and pull up the camera, and I can